A brand new hypercar has just made auction history, and the most surprising part is that nobody has driven it yet. The first ever Gordon Murray Special Vehicles S1 LM has sold for an astonishing $20.63 million, making it the most expensive new car ever sold at auction. This isn't even a finished vehicle. The car still has to be built, but that didn't stop one buyer from placing an 8-figure bid. In fact, the S1 LM is so exclusive that only 5 examples will ever exist, and this auction secured chassis number 1. The lucky owner isn't just buying a car. They'll work directly with legendary designer Gordon Murray to personalize every detail. They'll also take part in development driving sessions, giving feedback to the engineering team as the car is refined. Adding even more prestige to the experience, 3-time Indianapolis 500 winner Dario Franchitti will be involved in those sessions as well. The package also includes a unique 500-page book documenting the creation of the car. It will feature original sketches, design notes, and insights straight from Gordon Murray's personal notebook, making it a one-of-a-kind collectible in its own right. As for the car itself, the S1 LM pays tribute to the iconic McLaren F1 GTR that won Le Mans in 1995. Beneath the retro-inspired style